Hi there, in this video, I will give you a very quick tutorial or a guide so that you will be able to actually delete subscribers in Beehiiv. Removing inactive or unwanted emails keep your list clean. So yeah, first of course you have to make sure that you have a plan already and your account is already set up so you won't be missing anything. And once you're logged into your account, what you will have to do is you will search for subscribers and go ahead and click that. Click all subscribers and then you will select the subscriber and then you will click options and you will see delete and then you will click that and then you will select confirm. For bulk deletion, you will just have to use checkboxes to select multiple emails at once. And by the way, consider exporting your subscriber list before deletion as a backup. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.